Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a power steering pump. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. You'll need a serpentine belt tool, a new power steering pump, and fresh power steering fluid. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical issues. Next, locate the power steering reservoir and drain the old fluid into a pan. This prepares the system for component removal. Now let's get that old pump out. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the drive belt, then carefully remove it from the pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect both the high-pressure line and the return line from the power steering pump. Be ready for some fluid spillage, so have your drain pan handy. Finally, unbolt the pump from its mounting bracket and carefully remove it from the engine bay. With the old pump out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new power steering pump onto its mounting bracket and secure it with the bolts. Make sure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reconnect the high-pressure and return lines, ensuring a tight seal to prevent leaks. Finally, route the serpentine drive belt back onto the pump pulley and release the tensioner. Almost done. Now, refill the power steering reservoir with the correct type of new fluid up to the specified level. Reconnect your battery cable. Start the engine and slowly turn the steering wheel from lock to lock several times to bleed any air from the system. Check for leaks and top off the fluid as needed. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.